Hi guys, for today's vlog, we're here in the Smoke Monkey in Rockwall, Texas. So today's vlog, I want to share my video or my experience in the Smoke Monkey. This is a barbecue place in Rockwall, Texas. So they serve lunch. They have a buffet. They have smoked ribs, barbecue, and sa buffet nila, meron silang catfish, meron silang sausage, may mac and cheese, may mga vegetable. Ito yung restaurant na masasabi ko na parang ka talagang mapipil mo yung Texas na atmosphere, kumbaga. So, hindi ito malayo sa amin. This is only like 5 minutes sa our home. So, this is my first time I eat. Yung catfish nila is so good. I like the flavor. Yan, it's a buffet. I forgot how much, but hindi siya ganun kamahal. So, kung gusto niyo kumain ng mga like authentic, one of the authentic na smoke place. So, I recommend this Smoke Monkey and Rockwall. Perfect siya sa mga like birthday or get together with your friends. And yung mga food niya is talagang napakasarap. Ito yung mga choices ng vegetable, mac and cheese, ayan yung jumbo nila, beans, rice, at saka ito meron silang fresh fries, may hash papi, tapos patag na dyan, shrimp, fried chicken. So, marami kayong choices. Meron din silang mga salad, tsaka dessert. So, ito yung salad na pagpipilian nyo. So, ayan yung mga dressing. And then, the smoked monkey. Dito lang yan sa Rockwall, guys. So, if you want to find a place, something new, I recommend this place. Yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching my vlog. See you. Bye.